My call reaches out to you amidst the world's noise and stillness. Open your heart to hear my voice, filled with truth and hope. You are my beloved creation, crafted with care and purpose. My love surrounds you always, even when doubts arise. Embrace your gifts and step forward with courage. You are meant to bring light and goodness to the world, and I will walk with you through every moment. Do not fear the challenges ahead, for you are not alone. In the quiet of your soul, I will speak to you, not with loud declarations, but in gentle whispers that guide and uplift. Trust my plan, for it holds greater beauty and wonder than you can imagine. Go into the world and shine as a beacon of hope, love, and kindness. Wherever you go, I am with you, always and forever.